Hello guys, do you want to edit videos and you are feeling confusing how to edit it? No problem, I will show you how to edit videos. First thing, you have to download the software here in google.com, Filmora. Filmora 9 download. This software is user friendly and easy to use. You can download here. There are two versions of Filmora. First one is free and the second one is pro version. Free version is you can download and use it, and the pro version you have to pay for that. Pro version have some advanced features. First step, you have to download this software and install it, and then edit the videos. Here I have already installed it. Filmora is user friendly and easy to use. That's why number of YouTubers use Filmora software to edit their videos. Here you can see new project, and here it should be 16.9. 16.9 is the HD quality, and click here new project, and this is the whole interface of the. Here you can import video or audio, both. I have here some audios and videos. I can import all. It depends upon you how many videos or audios you want to edit. I selected all because I want to show you how to edit videos. Here you can see all audio and video have been imported here. I will double click this and it will show you the video here. Now I want to edit the video. So how can I edit the video? All the videos and audio have been imported here, and this is a video timeline, and this is a audio timeline. Here you can see the symbol of a music, and here you can see the symbol of the video. So let us drag this video here on the timeline. I drag the second video here. Now if you play, you can see it's, and the third video I want this here. You can see here it takes very long timeline, and you can shrink as well using this. Either you can use this zoom to fit timeline, or you can use this, it will shrink the timeline. It will not affect the video, but it will show you the whole videos on this timeline. Suppose I want to cut here. I want to use, it's a big video, it's a big clip here, this one, and I want to cut it down. I have simply right click on it and split. See, as you are seeing this, wherever you want to split, you have to put it there. For example, I will put this here. Now I will right click on it and split. Okay, now you can either delete, you can, for example, this area you want to delete it, simply first click on it and then use the delete command. And also you want, for example, you want to also delete this area, click on it, delete. Now you want to add another clip, you can use this and add here. See, this area is the audio area of this video. Of each clip, this is the audio area. You can see, you can either increase the audio using click and upwards. Let us see whether it have audio or not. Yes, it has audio. This one you can see there is no waveform here. this one have no waveform. You can check it. No, it have no audio here. Now I want to add the audio here for this video. If you want to keep the audio of these video clips as it is, you can. Now for example, I want to add this audio here. See, both this audio and this audio is working. Or you can mute the videos as well here, and the only music will now work this one. If you want to mute the audio of these clips and you want to add the new audio, suppose I have added here a new audio, and you want to mute the audio of these clips at the same time, you have to first select it, all the clips, and right click on it and mute. Now no audio of these clips will work, only this, the new audio, will work for this audio. Suppose here there is no waveform here, that means audio starts from this. You can delete that area here, for example, split and delete. Now this area is empty. You can either copy it or copy and paste this audio as well, or you have here new audios as well. Add this here. Suppose I want to cut it again here, this audio I want to cut it, because whenever I told you that whenever you want to cut any video or audio, this line should be there where you want to split. Right click on it and split. Suppose I want to delete this area. Now drag this audio here. This one is extra, so I want to delete it again. Here this line should be there where you want to split. Right click and split, delete. Now you first have to check whether it's working correctly or not. See, now all the clips are edited correctly and the audio is edited correctly. If you want to give any effect to these clips, you have to first select these video clips and then go to the effects. See, there are a number of effects here. You can either use this. See, this effect is this, or if you want this effect, or this effect, but you have to drag that effect and put it on this video clip. You can use this effect, either you can use this all part of the video, you have to drag it here just like this, or you can use it some parts of the clips. For example, I use this effect only for this area. For example, if I play it, you can see this effect is working, but when this reaches here, effect, see, now there is no effect here. Or you can just drag it and use the same effect to the all clips. Now this was about the effect to the video clips. Now if you want to write something on the video, you have to go here, and there are number of ways you will add text on the video. For example, I use this, just drag, click and drag here, and double click on it, and if you want to write something here, for example wait will productions, and you can use here font bold, and you can use here text style. For example, I will use this or this or this, and OK. And you can also drag this, the position of the text, either if you want here or there, anywhere you want to drag it. Now see, you can also use this text the whole video, or you can use any part of the video. Suppose I want to hit whole part of the video. See, now it will be as it is for all video. Now this was about add text on the video. Now there is also noise reduction. For example, this audio have some background noise. How to reduce that? You can double click on it and it will show you a dialog box here. You just have to click on this checkbox, remove background noise. You can click on it and OK. If you want to reduce the noise, you can either use this weak, mid or strong noise. If you want to reduce the weak noise, you can put this here, or you have a mid-range noise, or if you have a strong noise here, you can remove that noise using this and OK. You have also here, if you see this line, this is about the audio. Sometimes you can use this, either you can up or down. If the sound is too high, you can reduce it here, or if the sound is too low, you can increase it by using this. But if the audio level is low, you can increase it. This was about the text. There are a number of things as well, like transition. You can use this transition here. See, there are, now this is a transition. Transition is used when you have suppose number of clips here and you want to switch over the clip from one clip to another in a style. For example, this I will use this transition effect in between the two clips. Now see what will happen. See, if I use the simple, if I don't use this effect, it will simply show the first video and then see, but it uses the style. Suppose I am using this style here. Let us see what will happen. See, or you can use this style here. See, by these things, by these effects you can make your videos beautiful. Or for example, there are audio you have, for example, this elements. Or you can use these elements here. For example, I will use this here. See what will happen. These are the effects you can use and make your videos more attractive. Now we have here this next tab, that is split screen. You can use a number of videos on the same screen running. For example, I will use this here, and I want to use two videos running on the same time. Suppose I will double click on it, and here I will use advanced. Now you can see two timelines here. I will drag the two videos, first one here and second one here. Suppose I will drag this onto this video. Now the second I will drop down this here. I have to make the same. I can zoom and zoom out here. See? Now okay. Now if I play here, both the videos will work here. See? Both the videos are now here in this video. Play. See, now both the videos are in the same screen. Now you have a number of options here. For example, this you can use 3 videos, 4 videos. You have number of options here. For example, I will use this now. Let's double click on it and advanced. Now put your videos here. First one here, second one here, and third one you want here. Here you have to adjust the timing of the video, because this video is bigger, this video is in a small, and this video is more than small. You have to adjust the videos. I will use this timeline and shrink that videos as per the videos. Shrink this one as well, so that at a time all videos will start and stop. Okay, now play. See, all 3 videos are working at the same time. This was about the split screen. And last, when you feel that the whole video is okay, and you want to now export it, just press here. Here you have to see which format you want to use, whether you want to WMV, AVI, MOV file, F4 file. There are a number of formats, but usually we use MP4. We also use MP4 for YouTube videos as well. Now here settings, you have to see whether you want a good quality, better quality, or best one. Here you can set the resolution, which resolution you want to set for your video. Usually nowadays HD is trending, so keep it 1920 180 because it's a HD quality. Now first see whether you have used the character resolution or not. This one is and then export. It will export. It takes some time to export the video, and I hope you liked this video, you find this video very informative. I hope that you will subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.